I'm going to see if I can prove or disprove the internet rumor of how to get around the problem that techs face when they try to tone out a cable that is connected to a switch. If you're not already familiar with this, when you're trying to tone a cable that runs out to a switch, the tone gets swallowed by the switch and you cannot actually tone it out at the switch side. But supposedly there's a solution. So we're going to see if it works. I know exactly what port this is, and watch what happens because it's plugged into a switch. I mean, there is a faint, ever so faint signal. And that's with me knowing exactly which cable I'm supposed to be toning. The theory is if we take one of our alligator clips and crimp it onto one of the pairs or conductors, and we take the other alligator clip and we put it onto a ground of some sort, that it will send a stronger signal that we can actually detect even when it's plugged into a switch. So I'm going to use my alligator clips and my bed of nails to do one single conductor. Has to be the red one. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it on a ground. Most of the time network wall plates are just drywall inserts, so there's no ground to them really. You want to find something that has a ground, so if you've got an electrical plug nearby, you can just go on the metal of it. So I'm just going to click on that because I don't want to get into the electrical and risk being shocked, and I don't want you to either and blame me. Then we're going to turn our toner on, and we'll go tone in the back and see if we can hear it now. So already at this point, I've got ghost signal. Now with ghost signal, that can make things challenging. What's happening is that signal is so strong that it's actually going through the switch and going through all the cables. It was considerably louder when I was at the front end of the switch and the front end of the patch panel. If I was to disconnect the cable that is the correct one, then the ghost signal would be totally different. See how the ghost signal died when I unplugged this cable? So I'm no longer getting it here. And if I stick this directly into the patch panel port, I get a good strong signal, so I know for sure that that is the right patch panel port, which is the right cable.